In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an existing template in Evernote Web. If you already use templates in Evernote, keeping them current is a simple way to save time and make sure your notes stay consistent. The easiest way to update a template is to open it inside a new note, make your changes there, and then save that revised version as a replacement. Start by creating a new note in Evernote Web. This gives you a clean space to work in without affecting any notes you've already created. Inside the note body, click the Templates button. This is the icon that looks like overlapping squares. Once the template panel opens, go to the My Templates section and find the template you want to change. Click Use Template to apply it to your new note. Now that the template is loaded into the note, go ahead and make the edits you need. You can update the text, adjust the formatting, or change the layout depending on what you want the new version to look like. This is the best time to review everything carefully so the updated template works exactly the way you want for future notes. When you're happy with the changes, click the More Actions button in the upper right corner of the note. This is the three-dot menu. From there, choose Save as Template. Evernote will prompt you to give the updated template a name and save it. To keep things organized, use a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. After the new version is saved, delete the old template so you don't accidentally keep using the outdated one. That final cleanup step helps avoid confusion and ensures your updated design is the one available going forward. And that's how to update an existing template in Evernote Web quickly and cleanly.